It's PE. PE day.
Monday.
Hindi, Friday ngayon.
Monday.
Wednesday niyan eh.
Opo.
Monday.
20.
Monday. Monday. Monday.
Monday, Tuesday,
Monday.
Tuesday,
Thursday.
Wednesday,
Wednesday.
Thursday,
Thursday.
Friday,
Friday.
PE,
Picky.
Piki,
Picky.
PE,
Picky.
Papalitan ko ngayon. Punta ko yung bahay.
PE.
Tiki.
Dito ka.
Tiki.
Yan.
Tiki. 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 Today. Today.
Nakalimutan ko mag-attend ng scout.
Today. Today.
Suklay, suklay, suklay. Oh, wait. Diyan ka lang. Huwag mo gagalawin yan, ha. Mag-hi ka muna sa kanila. Suklay. Suklay natin ang hair ni Reden. Okay. Yan. Oh, smile. Smile. Show your teeth, your nose. Butas ng nose, your eyes. Get your medyas.
Jonas.
Okay, wait lang ha.
Cheese.